A wall, a boundary, a singular plane of separation. Pushing it open, sliding it out. As light sifts through the gaps, the notion of a wall is now replaced by a window and a door. These various motions alter our very perception. But where does the line blur? I wanted to explore how a visual property like transparency could be altered through motion. I wanted something less conventional, something more elegant, more organic, something dynamic. Of all these motions, the one that stood out the most was radial expansion. To facilitate this rotational motion, I used 6 discs which lay atop one another. They are connected through the middle via a rod, with their motion limited to 60 degrees. This is possible through the use of acrylic rods inserted through the slits in each disc. Washers are also added to reduce friction and ensure a smooth opening and closing. When a disc reaches its maximum rotation, the adjacent discs below it will be dragged along as well. This motion works till all 6 discs are fully open. As such, the outermost disc is able to fully control the closing and opening of the mechanism. But why a hexagonal frame? Well, I wanted each unit to tessellate itself indefinitely, and only 3 shapes were suitable: the equilateral triangle, the square, and the hexagon. Of the 3, the hexagon would take the least area to inscribe the inner disc, maximizing transparency when the facade is open fully. In addition, when putting 2 such frames together, I was presented with 36 different permutations for the opening of the disc. Now imagine a wall of 100 of this. The possibilities are endless. These form the basis of Lotus, a tessellating facade. Such designs already exist in the modern world. Take the Elba Towers in Abu Dhabi. It uses facades to conserve energy. The facades closing in the heat of the midday, opening again when the temperature drops. Armed with a light sensor, the facades allow it to replicate this effect, the permutations coming in handy to form a beautiful canvas, with the sun as its artist. The contrasting colors provide a sense of continuity and flow between the inner disc and detaches itself from the hexagonal frame, creating a mirage of suspending triangles, diagonal stripes, an unending kaleidoscope. An absolute cornucopia of shapes and colors.